Hi, I'm Anthony with Taylor Adhesives. Today I want to talk to you about the easy cleanup using our Signature Line Wood Adhesives. Now we all know when we're doing a hardwood installation, we may get some bleed up throughout the wood or get some wet adhesive on the face of the wood. Now unlike a traditional urethane where you have isocyanates that may ghost or etch into the finish of the wood, you can just use a damp cloth to wipe off the face, or if you come back later and you see some dried adhesive on the face of the wood, you can use something as simple as your nails or a household item like a tennis ball. And if you still see some residual adhesive on the face, we have denatured alcohol or mineral spirits that can work. So remember, when you want easy cleanup with your hardwood installations, think Taylor Signature Line.